Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to withdraw money from your Z-League account or your Z-League application. So in this case, you first come and open up your application like this, and to withdraw money you have to make sure that you have an active account with Z-League. So if your account isn't active, please make sure that your account is active and then that you have the valid amount to withdraw. So to withdraw this, just click on your profile section here in the right upper corner. When you click in the profile section in the right upper corner over here, you see this over here, it will pop up like this. Okay, so for this case I just need to go back to the home page and then I'll click this again. So when I click this again, I'll see my balance is $5. So I'll click on the settings gear icon there, and then on the settings gear icon you'll see I can click on claim amount over here. But as I said, you need to be having a valid account with Z-League. If your account isn't yet valid and if it's not yet active, then you won't be able to withdraw any money. So for this case, as you can see, mine is 0. The withdrawable balance is 0 because it's not yet valid and it's not yet active. But if yours is active, you see the cash out option appear over here. Okay, so you just go ahead and withdraw. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.